Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by pass. So I will put about u equals to arctanx of x. So we need to do first the derivative for the both side, and we have like this dv that is about s ln of 1 plus s squared ds. Now I will show you how to find this integration. So for this one, we can use about integration by pass. So I will put about u equals to ln of 1 plus s squared ds. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we have du equals to 2s over 1 plus s squared ds. dv that is about s ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to s squared over number 2. So this one we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So number 2 and number 2 we cancel, and now we have the integration s to the power of 3 over 1 plus s squared ds. So this one we can put about s later, that we need to minus about s. So we can do about factorization by s. So this one divide by this one, so we have number 1. So the integration of s that is about s squared over number 2. The integration of this one that is about 1 over 2 ln of 1 plus s squared. And I will put about c. So negative will change the sign of this one. Next, this one plus this one, we have like this. So the integration of this one that is about this one. So I will put about I in here. So I that is about this one. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have the integration. So this one divide by this one, so we have number 1. So s squared divided by this one. So we need to focus on this one and this one. So we can use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to ln of 1 plus s squared. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. dv that is about the s, the integration of this one that is about v equals to s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So we have s and s, we have s squared. Next, we need to add number 1. Later that, we need to minus number 1. So this one divided by this one, we have number 1. The integration of number 1 that is about s. The integration of this one that is about arctanx of s, and I will put about c. So negative number 2 multiplied by this one. Now we need to go back in here. So we need to add number 1. Later that we need to minus number 1. And now we have like this. So we have this one. The integration of this one that is about this one. So negative and negative, we have positive. This one that is about this one. So we need to expand this one, and we have like this. So this one that is about s over number 2 minus arctanx of s over number 2. So s with s over number 2, we have 3 over 2. Similar for the second one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.